G'day guys, welcome to Jonah's Kids Learning Show. Today we're down at a wildlife zoo near Sydney. It's all Australian animals just about here. And these are the kangaroos. There's also big orange kangaroos that are much taller than these. But these are a bit smaller. That's a little this is the baby here.
Can I hold it now?
This is a baby here. You can see their powerful back legs and their tails for balance, and they can really run fast. They skip. Now, Jonah, what do you want to say about the day of the zoo?
Those are the two baby ones.
Oh, there's some babies over there.
There's some goats.
All right, let's have a look at this goat.
There's some other ones over there.
Yep. There's kangaroos sort of everywhere here.
There's millipedes. These are the goats.
I love the smell of goats. I love how they smell. I do. Is that the shofar ram thing? Yeah. That's it, yeah.
Well, no, it's a goat. Shofar's a ram.
Oh, the ram.
Yeah.
Yeah. Daddy.
Yep.
Where's my bag?
Oh, Cleo's got the little bag. And there's a guy. I'll just go back to the kangaroo now because the people have left. You can now see the kangaroos. And they are very peaceful animals, but they're known to box, so they can stand up, and they stand up on their back legs, and they can get scared and stand up really tall. But they're really cute, and they love to eat grass. Hello. See, they've got eyelashes. They kind of look like a mouse and a dog in one. Anyway, I better wrap the video up for now because I didn't want to get too many people in it and stuff like that. So Jonah's just going to show you he wants to feed the goats.
No, it's going to eat your plastic bag like last time. It's going to eat your bag. But now just give me its bag.
No, you eat the bag. You eat the bag.
They
eat everything.
Fatima's going to feed it.
Okay. Put up close, Nourish.
Put up close, Nourish.
It's like, give me more.
Yeah.
Dad, it's like, give me more.
Why is his ears down? How funny.
Dad, it's like, give me more. Give it back. I want to feed it. It's just licking my hand.
All the animals are really cute. We saw some monkeys up there. We saw koalas. We saw... what else did we see? Meerkats, cockatoos, lots of birds, snakes, crocodiles, American alligators.
The Cassawary. Over there, Cassawary, not Cassawary.
What's that again?
It's a Cassawary.
Yeah?
Big bird, third biggest
Oh,
bird.
right, the bird, the
with
big
a
bird.
big thing
Right.
on its head, yeah. Dangerous, most dangerous bird in the world.
Is it?
I don't know, I just said that.
Oh, we had a corolla attacked in New Zealand
Right.
by the kiwi birds in New Zealand.
What was it?
The kiwi birds will rip the roof
Yeah.
racks off the car so you feed them.
There
Not
you
the
go.
kiwi, the Kia.
The
K-E-A,
Kia, oh, yeah.
K-E-A. There's only 5,000.
Yeah,
They're this big.
big. Yeah,
When you wait for the tunnel,
yeah.
they jump on the roof, start pulling the all the window moldings
Serious?
out so you give them food.
Food, yeah.
But
Bit
the
like
government
kangaroo.
says not to give them food.
Yeah. Kangaroos can be like that.
Yeah.
Really aggressive.
But they're a pest, aren't they? Like
Yeah.
they're not like you're allowed
they
to.
are.
Yeah.
They are. And yeah, if you talk to the political people, the Greenies, they go, oh no, they're in danger. Well, they're not, but they're a bit of a menace.
So that bird's in there.
Yeah, the cassowary.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they're
Cassawary.
very cool.
Yeah.
They'll like they'll kill you.
Well, yeah, that's why they got them caged off. You can't see them.
That's
you can see
it.
them, but you can't get close to them.
I'm going to go have a look.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. This is the most dangerous bird in the world or something. Let's go have a look. So this is animals in their natural environment. Like, this is like typical Australian bushland. Here you can see they've put tropical plants in. I don't really remember hearing how dangerous these birds are. The southern cassowary. Did you know the cassowary is the world's 3rd largest bird and regarded as the most dangerous? They're equipped with a lethal dagger-like claw on the inner toe. Wow. Cassowary? That looks like a really, really, really a bully. Well, it looks like an emu. They look like a dinosaur. Wow. Oh, wow. What was that? I think they just had a fight. Anyway, kids, hope you enjoyed this little episode. Yeah, catch us later.